Hey, hi, we're going to look at this app. It's called Emochi, and it's more of an AI companion app where you can create and chat with personalized virtual characters. And it's amazing how every character has a personality. We're going to really try to see how it works. When you sign up, you have to get time and kind of fill in some of your details. Let me just finish up this. Then you can select your interests, okay, your personality, your code. It's important to actually select your personalities because the AI kind of knows like how to address you, how to interact with you. So you can say maybe a cold person, you helpless, quiet and shy, you kind of mature, then relationship, kind of a stranger, you are a cousin, you are a lover, you're a wife, you're a teacher. I don't know what I can choose, but I think let me just say, not really crazy. I think let me just say, dependent. Okay, relationship. I think let me choose something like what? Okay, definitely a friend. Sin, get in trouble. Nope. Rainy, public, revenge. Okay, I don't know. Maybe get in trouble. Fantasy, office. Okay, I think that may be boring. Let me just do something like this. Oh, actually, you can even actually select different uh, tough guy. You can select different options, wife or something like that. So let me just say enter emoji. Okay, the website is emoji. So after that, you can actually select one of the characters that you want. Actually, these characters are actually celebs. They are celebs in quotes because some of these characters have a huge following. Okay, so I realize some of them have a personality, some of them are cold, some of them are rude. So I think let me try this one which I used. I think let me try. Okay, let me try actually Lee. There is actually a worthy chick here. It's called Ellie. So when you select the character, just as in AI, you actually in ChatGPT you kind of chat, or in Gemini you kind of chat. But here it's more of an AI who is going to actually chat with you. Okay. Sorry, more of a character. You're going to choose a character and you're going to actually have some conversation with the character. So usually the first conversations are actually done automatically. Intro, you're worthy, prayerful, and affectionate, best friend and roommate. So that is Ellie. So Ellie is kind of worthy, is actually a roommate. Okay. So you are sitting on a comfortable couch because you're waiting for TV, and suddenly you hear Ellie, hey, I'm home. Okay, here I think I can say, hi, how is your day? Okay, let's see what your price. Oh, yeah, there. Ellie says, okay, maybe she prompts down on the couch next time. Something like that. Okay, so you have to get time to actually try to do conversations. I think the more conversation that you do with this character, the more perfect will be. Earlier on, I had this one called Kaden. Kaden is actually a bit called, it starts with a kind of, hey, idiot, something like that, Hey, was something like that. I think the personality of this guy is actually a bit, uh, shut up, you look stupid today, your hair is a mess, Oh my gosh. So I think I can't really work with Kaden. So anyway, it's a cool AI companion app. You can try to get time to chat with them, and every character it's like has its own characters, but you can try to train it to something like that. And some of them actually are popular. There is Miss Popular Whitney is actually okay. Let me leave that one. There is Wednesday and Enid, and they actually give you a background of each character so that you can know the background of the person that you're going to talk with. There is Can. She's shy. Okay, let me talk with this one because I think I'm also shy. So this one is called Kang Helen, whatever it is. It has a few following, like actually 4,000, and it's where they actually even have a following. I don't know how you follow them, but whatever it is, okay. So the intro is that they usually give you the introduction about the character is shy, calm, introverted, loves animals, caring, and lovely. Often called a frog, excellent dancer and singer in K-pop group New Gens. Okay, Haley is sitting on a chair facing the teacher. All right. So I think let me say, hey, uh, I don't know what I can tell them. Anyway, so this is the whole thing, but it's a really cool thing that you can really spend time with it. They have a premium, and what I can say is you can start with a free one, then try to kind of see how you can chat with these characters. This is not my thing, but I think some people are used to chatting with characters. And hey, if you're kind of a person like that, you can try emochi. Okay. See you in the next video and let me know what you think about emochi. Please give me a subscription and leave me a comment below what you think about this. And see you in the next video. Okay. Bye bye.